So last class we have talked about Parthiban, then Pandian. So that is a simple calculation of commission before net profit. The next problem they have given about the interest on loan. So interest on loan, don't scribble in my screen dark. Who's that? So in the next problem, they're asked to calculate interest on loan. So just the loan amount only we are taking for this. Okay. In this problem, there is something, a slight difference. First one is on 1st January 2007, A, B and C entered into a partnership contributing 2,50,000, 1,30,000 and 1,20,000. Their sharing profit is 5:3:2. So this is their sharing profit. Okay, so their sharing profit is 5:3:2. C, B and have entire salary 16,000 and 14,500 per year. So that means for each year they are getting 16,000 and 14,500, not in a per month. So interest on capital is 5% per annum. Then 5% interest to be charged for drawings. During the year, A withdrew 40,000, that is drawings. B 25,000. Girls, you all know withdrew means drawings. I hope you all know that. Okay, so not debit. Please consider this as an drawings. Not able to write. So please understand withdrew means drawings. Okay, so 40,000, 25,000, C is 15,000. So the interest being, already they have given 5%, even though they have given the percentage, but they have given directly 2,250 interest rate for A, 1,125 for B, for C 725. Girls, I have one doubt. That is, I'm asking you this question to you. Either we have to add this with 5% or only we have to take this interest amount. Either we have to take only this interest amount. Will you please give me an answer? What shall I do? Interest on drawings means what shall I do? Either I have to calculate in the 5% or either I have to take this amount enough or either I have to add both.
Ma'am, 5% மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
5%. Okay, one answer. Then any answer, any other answers? Try பண்ண ஏதாவது சொல்லு அப்பதான் நமக்கு கன்க்ளூட் அப்பதான் உனக்கு இந்த இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது தான் ஞாபகத்துல இருக்கும். அதுக்காக தான் நான் கேக்குறேன். 5% only we have to take. Okay. So I just show you one thing, that is 40,000. Okay, 40,000 for A. So 5% we are taking. So what is the answer? 2,000. But here 2,250 there. So what we have to understood means, just for the sake they have given all the information, but only thing we have to take this alone. இந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ரேட் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ரேட்டை மட்டும்தான் எடுத்துக்கணும். இதை கன்சிடர் பண்ண கூடாது. You no need to consider about this 5%. If they are not given, இந்த இதை கொடுக்கலன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, இந்த அமௌண்ட் அவங்க கொடுக்கலைன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், 5% we can calculate it. But they have given that interest amount for each partner. So what is that? What we have to do? We have to take only this one, not a 5%. புரிஞ்சுதாடா? 5% கொடுத்து அமௌண்ட்டும் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்க, இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் உடைய அமௌண்ட்டை கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம எதை தான் எடுக்கணும்? இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் கொடுத்திருக்க அமௌண்ட் தான் எடுக்கணும். 5% கன்சிடர் பண்ண கூடாது. Do you all understand? Do you all understand this? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
On to the profit and loss account. So as usual, they have given the net profit. Net profit is 71,400. Interest on drawings. A, they have given 2,250. B, 1,125. C, 725. Okay. Interest on capital, we have to calculate. Interest on capital, they have given 5%. Interest on capital, 5%. What is their capital? 2,50,000. For that, 12,500. B, 1,30,000 5% contribution 6,500. C, 1,20,000 is their capital. 5% contribution 6,000 is that interest on capital. So 25,000 total. So two partners, only B and C are getting salary. So partner's salary, B 16,000, C 14,500. Just we are adding 30,500. So here there is nothing will be given, but fluctuating and fixed is there. So what do you mean? Both the entries we have to do it. Fixed means capital should be fixed. Then all the current account we have to open. Another thing is current account we have to open either with the capital. Let's see next. That is upcoming. So there is nothing else to move. So first we have to prove the net profit, interest on drawings. What else they have given? We have to take interest on capital 5%. Already they have given it. So from the capital, we have to take the 5% for interest on capital. Salary, B and C is getting salary. So apart from this, we are getting 20,000 as a net profit. So we have to share this 20,000 into 5:3:2 ratio. That is 5% for A, 3% for B, 2% for C. That is 5 divided by 10, 3 divided by 10, 2 divided by 10. So I hope you all know how to calculate the ratio. Ratio calculations theriyum lada? Thus, do you all know that ratio calculations? Thus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now they asked to prepare the fixer. So first fluctuating and fixer. So we are doing the first capital account. Fluctuating means combining all together. So ellame onna potu pandradha capital, that is fluctuating. That is fluctuating. Fluctuating la ellame capital la irundhu interest on drawings ellame onna pandradhukku peru da fluctuating. So first by bank, that is capital 3 partners capitals. Then interest on capitals 12,500, 6,500, 6,000. Salary 16, 14. Then profit and loss 10, 6, 4. Then drawings, interest on drawings, then balance. So this is their balancing figure for this fluctuating account. Now we have to open a fixer that cannot be changed. By bank, close their account. To balance carried on, close the account. Now we can open a current account. Current account by interest on capital, salary, profit and loss appropriation, then drawings, then interest on drawings. In this, A is having a high value, so the balance should be here. Then B and C is having here this credit side they are having a high value, so they are getting the balance in debit side. Okay. So this is the fixed and fluctuating. Again, I'll repeat it. Fluctuating means we have to combine all the capital and current account together. But in fixed, capital is fixed. Okay, we cannot change it. So we have to open a capital account and current account. Do you have any doubts, girls? Girls, do you have any doubts?
Amen.
The next problem, or still you having any doubts? Now you have got a clear idea about fluctuating and fixed.
Yes, ma'am.
Fluctuating fixed therinjirucha? So here the only one thing they have added, they have given already, they have given interest on drawings, they have given. So just we have to take that amount itself. So when they are giving the two things means just amount is enough for this is important problem. Always the questions will be repeated in internals and the summative. Okay, coming to the next problem. Papia, Dia and Ria are three partners. Papia and Ria withdrew. That is, drew means drawings. Drawings 10,000, 8,000, 6,000. Interest on capital and interest on drawings are fixed 12%, 10%. So net profit is 85,000 they have given, out of which 20 is transferred to general reserve. So 85,000, 20,000 is transferred to general reserve. Here there's additional one more thing is there. Then Papia, Dia are entitled to receive a salary. That is only 2 persons have receiving the salary, that is 4,500, 3,000 per annum. Per annum means, what is that meaning of per annum? Per annum. Girls. Per annum.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What, ma'am?
1 year. 1 year, ma'am.
For the whole year, only for a year, they are receiving this 4,500 and 3,000. Then Ria is getting a commission. Ria is getting a commission 10% on distributable profit. So this is a one small calculation will be there. So please note it down. This Ria is receiving some commission. On 1st January, their capital is 60, 50, 40. So required to prefer profit and loss appropriations and capital account of the partners. So capital account means we have to open all this fluctuating account. So now just move on to the profit and loss account. First step of profit and loss account is by net profit. By net profit is 85,000. Interest on drawings. Why they have given interest on drawing for on the basis of 6 months. Here the three partners is including, that is they'll be having all these things in a fixer, that is during the year, that is nothing can be informed here. In the date la ஆரம்பிச்சாங்கன்றது நமக்கு சொல்லல. In the date la 1st January சொல்லிருக்காங்க, but withdrew date சொல்லாதனால we are calculating for a 6 months. That means, so first I calculate, that is 10,000. Interest on drawings is fixed is 10%. So 10,000 into 10 divided by 100, you'll be getting 1,000 rupees. But they didn't mention about anything else or beginning or end or whatever, they didn't mention it. So we are dividing into 2. That is half we are taking. Either we can have 1/2 or a 2. So 1,000 into 1/2 போட்டாலும் 500 you will be getting. 1,000 divided by 2 போட்டாலும் you will be getting the same answer. Again, I'll repeat it. 1,000 into half. So this is your answer for each and every. So for each and every partner, we have to calculate divided by 1/2. That is 6 months we are calculating. We are taking as a middle average, because why we are taking as a middle means they didn't mention about anything else. Whether the partner is taking a drawings in any month or a beginning of the month or end of the month or middle of the month. They didn't mention about anything else, or beginning of the year or end of the year or middle of the year. They didn't mention. So safely we are playing into 1/2 for taking 6 months. So usually for drawings 8,000 means we'll be getting 10,000 into, so you'll be getting 1,000 into 1/2. You'll be getting next for 800. So 800 into 1/2, you'll be getting 400. Then Ria for 600. into 1 by 2, you'll be getting 300. So this is an interest on drawing. So girls, notice all these things. Interest on drawings, each and every problem having different concepts. So please try to understand the problem and do it. Okay. So 1,200. Then they asked to calculate 20,000 should be transferred to general reserve. So to general reserve 20,000. Then interest on capital, they asked to prepare 12%. So 12%, 60,000 into 12% for Papia, 7,200. 50,000 as an Dia's capital into 12,000, 6,000. Then 40,000 into 12%, 4,800. So this is their interest on capital. Only two partners is getting salary. So two salary, Papia 4,500, Dia 3,000. So totally 7,500. Then coming to the commission, they didn't mention about the commission. That is Ria's commission is what is they are giving that distribution, that is distributable profit lerந்து 10% they have to calculate. Distributable profit lerந்து 10% எடுக்கணும் அப்படின்றத சொல்றாங்க. So as usual we have to calculate 86,200 lerந்து இந்த டோட்டல நம்ம வந்து மைனஸ் பண்ணா, that is இது வரைக்கும் salary, interest on capital, general reserves total பண்ணோம்னா you will be getting 45,500. Then credit side total is 86,200. From this we are deducting that we will be getting 40,700. So here they have mentioned about distributable profit. Distributable profit means percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. Girls, note it down. Distributable profit of commission we have to calculate means percentage divided by 100 in plus percentage. So that is what they have did here. 10% for commission. So 10 divided by 100 plus percentage, that is 10. You will be getting 10 divided by 110. From that 40,700. How will you get this 40,700? Credit side total minus this. இது வரைக்கும் என்னன்னா நம்ம கலெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ before profit earn பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்ம வந்து இருக்கோ அத ஆட் பண்ணி அத மைனஸ் பண்ணா பேலன்ஸ் வந்து 40,700 வருது. So இப்ப அதுல 10% நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்னா 3,700. Now our balance is changed. So 37,000 is our balance. So இங்க எதை distribute பண்றோம்னா equal sharing ratio, because they didn't mention about all these things. So ratio பத்தி எதுவுமே சொல்லாதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், distributable profit வந்தாலே இங்க என்ன ஆயிடும், sharing ratio ஈக்குவலா தான் இருக்கும். So அததான் இங்க நம்ம செய்றோம். Girls, do you all understand the commission calculation? திருப்பி சொல்லவா? Again, shall I repeat it? Shall I repeat again? Girls? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand this or shall I repeat it? Commission புரிஞ்சிச்சாமா?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, now they asked to prepare a capital account, that is fluctuating capital account. So if they asked to prepare a current account பண்ணாங்கன்னா நமக்கு fixed capital ஆயிடும். இங்க capital account தான் open பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So this is a fluctuating. So by balance, all the capitals 50, 60 and 40. Then interest on capital 7,200, 6,000, 4,800. Salary for the two partners 4,500, 3,000. Then commission for the Ria's commission 3,700. Then profit and loss appropriation, all the partners profit and loss. Why they are making this 4 means they are adjusting. So ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல வரத அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஆளுக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கொடுத்து அவங்க அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்றாங்க. Then drawings, all the partners 10,086. Then interest on drawings 500, 400 and 300. Now the balance is 73,533 for Papia. Then Dia 62,933. Then Ria 54,543. Do you have any doubts, girls?